Hey there folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing, 15035 Lore Trail. That's here in Village Walk of Bonita Springs. It's a Pulte-built home, the Vernon Hill floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 bed, a den just over 1,900 square foot. You get the 2-car garage you see here. Let's run inside, take a look at this beautiful house. As we come inside the home here, you've got a nice entryway. And then directly to the right, you have the 2 guest bedrooms. Here's the first one with the bay-style windows, allowing for lots of natural light there. And there's your closet with the sliding doors. Right in between the 2 guest bedrooms, you have the guest bath with the combination tub and shower, granite countertops, single sink, and the commode. And then we have the second bedroom right over here. And this one has the bifold style closets. No carpet in this home. You've got the laminate style flooring in both of these bedrooms and tile throughout the rest of the place. So as we go past the entry here, that's your entrance to your garage, and that's the closet there for your HVAC. Now this opens up into a nice great room area. You've got the dining table here overlooking the great room, with the kitchen opened up to everything. But first we're gonna look over here to the left, and this is your den. This is a true den. There is no closet here. So nice additional workspace or flex room there. Or you can make it into a 4th bedroom as well. And then we've got the kitchen here overlooking the great room space. Directly to the left, this is where you have the laundry room here with full-size washer and dryer, additional storage. And you also have a utility sink right there as well. Got a nice pantry closet right here. And again, you've got the granite countertops, stainless appliances. All of this overlooks your living spaces here as well as your dining room. And then you've got the eating kitchen area right over here. And this home did come with the extended cabinetry off the kitchen. This would not have been there, what you're looking at here, if they did not select this upgrade. As well, over here they got the sliding glass doors out to the lanai. Many times you'll see that as just a wall and window setup. So that's a nice upgrade this home has in addition. Now coming straight across here, we're gonna go into our master suite. So really nice size master, plenty big enough for a king size bed. And then your master bath here with your dual sinks. You've got a nice soaking tub here. The standalone shower. Huge master closet here. And then last but not least, we have the enclosed water closet here. And you also have a linen closet right there along with your commode. So last but not least on this house is the amazing view. So you're going to be facing south here towards the back. And you've got a nice, beautiful view of the lake on both ends here. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.